Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got loaded avocado toast. Look at these bad babies, beautiful, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and go over some of the products that I use for this recipe. Sourdough bread, butter, my special seasoning, a green onion dip packet, so green onions, tomato, avocado, cilantro, green onions, and jalapenos. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the avocado. When you pick an avocado at the store, make sure pull the pit and make sure it's lime green. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the avocado out of the casing and go ahead and mix it all together. Okay, so now I'm going to add some lime, and this is to help the avocado from stop turning brown. So I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze some of that in there, mix it on up, and we're going to go ahead and start cutting up these veggies. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut up my onion, my bell pepper, jalapeno, cilantro, and green onions. So now we're going to go ahead and give this tomato a little chop. I mean, you could put whatever you want in your avocado, well, basically guacamole. So I like these items in my guacamole. And we're also going to use sourdough bread, and I cut it in half because it wouldn't fit in my toaster because they are so long. So now we're going to mix everything together. We're going to add my special seasoning. And all you need is this seasoning. It will make anything taste good. And we're going to also add some of this packet from the green onion dip mix. You can use the Lipton ranch mix. You could use the little ranch dip mix. But this is what I had on hand. So this is what I use. So we're just going to add everything together, even the veggies. Now we're going to add some red pepper flakes if you want to give it a little spice. I already toasted the bread, and I'm adding a little bit of butter, and once the butter get a little bit of see-through, then I'm going to add the guacamole. And here we go, adding the avocado. Here I'm going to add some cheese, I'm going to add onion, I'm going to add some tomato, some salt and pepper, and some red pepper flakes, and that's about it, you guys. So I hope you guys like this recipe. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a 2 thumbs up, as many thumbs up as you want to, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Now look at that, scrunches, and it's very refreshing, very refreshing. This was like one of the best recipes that I ever made, so you definitely gotta try.